Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your phone's camera app and system firmware are up to date. This avoids hidden bugs. Once done, open Camera and immediately switch to the front-facing lens. Make sure you granted camera and microphone permissions in settings so nothing blocks features. If your phone has a dedicated selfie toggle or dual preview, enable it now. You want the interface ready before zooming so controls behave predictably. Now move to adjust framing and zoom controls. You control zoom either with a 2-finger pinch or by tapping the on-screen 0, 5x/1x/2x markers. Choose the value that preserves quality. Once zoomed, enable grid lines and face detection so you keep the subject centered and avoid unintended crop. If lighting changes, long press the screen to lock auto exposure and auto focus. This prevents the camera from hunting while you reposition. Make small incremental zoom adjustments. You finish by stabilizing the phone. Use a tripod or steady surface to reduce motion blur that digital zoom magnifies. If you need precise control, switch to Pro mode to tweak ISO, shutter speed, and manual focus, which can improve perceived zoom quality. Once satisfied, take a few test shots and review at 100% to confirm clarity. If zoom buttons are unresponsive, force close the camera app or reboot the phone. That often fixes temporary software glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.